Robotics and Games Club is a site designed to teach you robotics, programming, and game making. It does this by providing several different fields of study and guides you through learning on each one of these fields. So the main fields are math, logic, programming, and building. In building, for example, it will give you, there will be several levels of how to build your robot, and then it will have examples of code and a robot that you can build. You then will use this robot, you will build the robot and use the robot to complete a challenge. So by copying the code that's given and building the robot, you'll be able to go to challenges. Well, first you could go to Robot Store. You'll get the parts, which there are actuators and sensors and display. There are keyboard keys and miscellaneous. You'll get whatever parts you need, click on Checkout, and build your robot. You'll then also be able to build a program and compile it. So this program language is based on the Arduino. I don't know if you know what the Arduino is, but it's a very common robotics programming microcontroller. Okay, so you will then be able to, once it compiles successfully, you'll be able to go to challenges and pick a challenge that you would like to use your robot to complete. Go to the challenge, and here is our robot. And by using the keyboard keys and the mouse, I'm able to guide the robot to each one of the waypoints in order. So as it touches the waypoint clears, and I will be able to go on to the next waypoint. When it completes, the challenge will be completed, and it will turn green, and you'll be able to move on to the next challenge. You can also build your own game. So in challenges, you can go to the Angry Shapes Builder, which is similar to Angry Birds. You'll be able to create objects by clicking on various items from the menu and exporting your program. You can then copy your program and paste it, or copy your level and paste it into the program that you have. And once that's done, you can save your program and upload it to the web, and you can allow other people to play your game. So your game will be online, and anyone can log into Robotics and Games Club, or just go to the Robotics and Games Club page and play your game. You can click on your game, and when you knock all the pieces off, the game is complete. You can build as big of a level as you want, and then you can rate the game. So we'll give that 4 out of 5 stars. There are also upcoming events. So some of the events in the past have been build your own game, your own Angry Shapes game. The next challenge is going to be in February, which is pop all the balloons. So you will have to build a robot that will be able to pop all the balloons in this challenge. So that is the next one, and it is coming up February 11th is the end date.